What's up, everybody? My name's Logan. This is my dad's 2009 370Z. Pretty much everything on it is aftermarket at this moment. The engine is stock, but he plans to Procharge it here soon. I told him that Procharger is probably the best setup because of the way it builds boost and power. It's kind of what he's looking for. It's got a authentic Veilside body kit. I believe this is the version 3. It was imported from Japan. Got it on about a month ago. I'm not sure on this one, but I've heard that this is one of few in America at the moment. Got some ESR one-piece rims on it. He's had it about 6 years. I've always been in the Japanese cars, and I kind of talked him into getting it, and it turned into this. So here we are. His car's cooler than mine.